Okay, welcome back. I've got all of my ingredients in order to go ahead and finish off the bread. We'll do it really quick. We're starting off with half of the wet ingredients. I have my yeast. Ta-da! I'm super excited because I've actually failed at this before. So the temperature is correct. You can see it's all beautifully bloomed. We'll go ahead and start the process. I'll put all of the yeast plus the 1/4 cup of water in, slides right inside. We'll alternate between the wet and the dry. If you have your bread mixer, go ahead and use that. So we'll do half of the wet. In it goes. We will do the rest of the dry. In that goes. Finish off with the rest of the wet. Allow that to come together. And then it goes right inside the pan. I don't know about you. I love the smell of yeast in my bread. This is going to sit in an area that has no drafts, that is nice and warm for this bread mixture to rise. 50, 60 minutes. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and put that in the oven for about 50 to 60 minutes. Let's put this inside the pan, show you how that looks. It's not like bread when it comes to the beginning product in that you don't have to knead it at all. The ingredients are just blended, put into the pan, and left alone. Give me 1 second here. Nice and careful. Perfect. Smooth it out into the pan like you would a loaf. You can use a wet spatula, it might be easier too to finish off the loaf. I'm going to top it with some nuts and seeds as well. That's that. Cover it with a tea towel, put it aside to proof, and then you'll end up with this beautiful loaf of bread, which is high in flax, which means it's then high in fiber. The bread is a very low carb count. It smells like bread. It's yeasty. It's perfect. I cut it up into slices, cut it into half each piece to create my beautiful croutons. And I put it into a low oven for about 250, 175, 250. This took me days of trying to get all the moisture out of it. So you can see the difference between the two at the end of the day. Quite a bit of moisture comes out of it. That's actually maybe a little bit kind of big. When we come back, do I sound like panicked? I want to give you guys so much information in this episode to take with you over the holidays. So I'm excited to rush through it. But remember, all of this information is on our website. So don't worry if you haven't gotten the ingredients down. Everything will be available for you at the end of the show. This is going to be part of a beautiful dinner. When we come back from our next break, I'm going to show you how to put it all together, including the roasted chicken. See you in a few minutes.